So how do people make $1,000 per sale with high ticket affiliate marketing? I'm going to break it all down for you right now so that the mystery is going to be unveiled, okay? And you're going to love this. I've made almost $3 million with high ticket affiliate marketing, and I'm going to literally just show you the strategy right now. So I'm going to jump on my computer, okay, so that you can see this. By the way, I show you how to do this step by step in my free masterclass, which you can access anytime in the comment section below. So you don't necessarily have to watch this video all the way through, right? I got you sorted, okay? But if you want to check this out, this is how this works. So the 1K per sale high ticket affiliate marketing strategy kind of works like this, all right? So first of all, we're going to go backwards, all right? So we're going to start with the big sale, and this is the real secret. A lot of people like to sell stuff that's really cheap. You sell a lot of physical stuff. Maybe you sell a t-shirt for $20. You make a $1 commission. You sell maybe a set of headphones for $50 from Amazon Associates or whatever, and maybe you make a $3 commission. I mean, the commissions are really small. That's why when people hear people saying that you can make $1,000 per sale or $500 or $2,000 per sale, that almost sounds a little bit unrealistic and bonkers, right? But here's the reason why this works so well, okay? So first of all, you got to focus on big sales, right? And the way that high ticket affiliate marketing works is all we're doing is we're selling another creator's product. We're just selling something that is already created. We're becoming the middle person, and we're finding someone with the problem that will like to get their problem solved by buying this particular product, okay? So this is the solution. We're just connecting them with the solution. That's all it is, right? And the price of the product is going to be higher. The commission rates will be higher. That's why you can make $1,000 or more per sale. Sometimes a little bit less. It could be $300, $500, but we'll, just for the sake of this video, we're going to focus on $1,000 commissions, right? So the first thing is, in order for you to do this, you can't sell physical stuff. You can't sell a t-shirt. You can't sell gel. You can't sell a microphone because all these things are too cheap, all right? If you sell a mug or a t-shirt, that's like $20, $30. This mic might cost, $200. You can't make a $1,000 commission. So it has to be a digital product. Digital products have intrinsic value that you basically can't put a dollar value on, right? So if you're teaching someone how to quit smoking, or you're teaching someone how to get their ex-wife back, or you're teaching somebody how to stop their cancer, these are things that you can't put a price tag on, which is why digital products, which is mostly information-based and life-changing, transformational, people are willing to pay a lot of money for, right? People are willing to pay $5,000, $10,000 to stop smoking and stop getting cancer, right? You can't put a price tag on it. That's why you sell digital products, not physical stuff, okay? Number two, we want to focus on higher price products. So we're not selling a $20 trinket. We're not selling a $5 mug. We're selling a $1,000 to $5,000 product that is life-changing. All right. Now you might be thinking, okay, well, Aaron, who's going to pay $1,000 or $2,000 or $5,000 for something? Well, we just covered that, right? If the transformation or the problem is big enough, people are willing to spend good money to solve their biggest life problems. Okay. And then the next thing is we got to make sure that the commissions are high, right? So if you have a $2,000 product and it only pays you 1% commissions, you're not making that much money. But if you're selling a $2,000 product and the commission rate is 50%, then you're now making a $1,000 commission for every sale. Then it becomes easy. That's why it's important to pick high-priced products with high commission rates. And it's not difficult. In the affiliate marketing space, if you go to the right networks like Digistore24, like ClickBank, like JVZoo, like Warrior Plus, and you can just go and do a Google search or ChatGPT search very, very quickly, you'll find that a lot of them do pay, between 50 and 70% commissions, right? So because of that, it's easier to hit your big income goals. $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month. You hear this regularly with high-performing affiliate marketers because they're doing it right, okay? So we start with big sales. We start with the numbers. When you get the math correct, it's actually very easy to make $1,000 sales, okay? Now, the next part, and this is the more important part, okay? So now you understand the math behind how it works, right? So this is what makes it possible. But the second thing is how do you sell it? Because, you might be thinking, well, Aaron, I understand the problem and, transformation and solving those problems for people, but are people really willing to part with $5,000 or $3,000 or $1,000? Well, it all comes down to how you sell it. Okay, so the selling mechanism, which is what I call it, is very, very important. You can't just send someone to a sales page and expect them to part with $5,000, no matter how big the problem is, right? How you sell it is super duper important. And how we do this is really three ways, okay? If you want to sell high ticket stuff, hey, just real quick, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So if that's what you're after, make sure you subscribe to the channel. These are the main main 3 selling mechanisms that you have to use to sell it. Number 1, you bring them onto a webinar. A webinar is kind of like a 2-hour, 1-hour live presentation where you get onto a Zoom call with a whole group of people. It might be 50 people, 1,000 people, and there's someone doing a presentation, and they take you through a process, and basically you get people to know, like, and trust you, and at the end they present an offer, and usually the offer could be, you know, a $2,000 or $3,000 product. And if you're an affiliate of that, you get a, you know, special affiliate link, and when you make a sale through somebody else's webinar, which they do, then you might get a 50% commission, and that's how you make $1,000, okay? So that's one way. Webinars are very, very effective. Another way is it's called a book a call funnel, okay? So you send someone to a video, 5-10 minute video explaining the problem, and then they say, look, if you want to do this, I'm going to get on a call with you, and I'm going to really dissect your problem, all right? So you book a call, you get onto a call with a live person, a live consultant. They do a live Zoom call. This could be you doing the call or somebody else. You could hire a closer. They call them closers basically. And they'll get on a literally a Zoom call with your prospects, and they'll talk to them for 1 to 2 hours, dissect the problem, give them the solution, and the solution is usually the product that you're trying to sell and that you can be an affiliate of. And usually with these calls, and I've been on so many of these calls, a lot of the time the price points for these kind of products are $5,000, $7,000, $10,000, even $20,000, depending on what the product is, okay? I have purchased so many $5,000 to $7,000 products you wouldn't believe, okay? So the book a call funnel, it works, and that's how you can make $1,000 to $2,000 sales as an affiliate, right? And then the last one, and this is my favorite, this is how I run a lot of my funnels, is it's called a nurture sequence funnel. That means it's a series of high value videos that get drip fed to somebody, and over time it teaches them and gets them closer to the sale. Okay, so it educates them, it entertains them, it gets them to know, like, and trust you more. It gives them the solution so that the whole time they're going through this nurture sequence, they're like, oh, right, okay. So they're agreeing the whole time, they're getting to know, like, and trust you, and then at the end you present the sale to them. And so it's a lot easier to make the sale when people know, like, and trust you, right? And that's called the nurture sequence funnels. So it's one of these 3 selling mechanisms that will allow you to make big sales, okay? If you're sending someone straight to a sales page, they're not gonna buy, okay? And that's why a lot of people are bewildered. They're confused. They're like, how can I make a $1,000 commission? Because they're sending people straight to a sales page. If you send someone straight to a sales page where the price point is $2,000, they will never buy, all right? So it does require strategic selling mechanisms in order to do so, okay? So now you understand it's about the math, it's about the numbers, the commission rates, the price points. You understand that there must be a certain type of selling mechanism to get people to part with thousands of dollars, right? And then the last thing is about how do you find these people? So it comes down to traffic. Now there's a couple of different ways, right? So first of all, you can pay for it. You can pay for Facebook ads, Bing ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. That's very straightforward, right? You target the right people for interest, for keywords. You get in front of them when they're surfing Facebook, when they're on Bing, when they're surfing YouTube. These ads pop up. You've probably seen it yourself, right? And that will drive people to the specific selling mechanism, okay? Another way, and this is what I like the most, is free traffic. So free social media content on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, right? This is all free stuff. And the reason why I like free stuff is because number 1, it's free. And number 2, you get to brand yourself right at the beginning when the person first comes into contact with you, which I think is really cool, okay? And not everybody has, you know, $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 a month to spend on paid advertising. Plus with free stuff, you can make a lot of mistakes and you can still make a lot of sales, right? But the difference between free and paid is with paid, it's very little time, but you need a budget. And with free, it's free, but the trade-off is you have to spend a lot of your time creating that content, okay? But again, you can get pretty good at it once you practice a little bit, okay? And this, my friend, is the magic to how you can make $1,000 per high ticket sale. Very, very simple. And you don't even have to create the product. You don't have to ship it. You don't have to handle it. You don't have to deal with refunds. You don't have to deal with complaints. All you're doing is you're becoming a really good middle person. And when you understand the strategy behind it, and this is a strategy, by the way, big sales, selling selling mechanism, putting the right type of people in front of it. This is how you start to make a lot of money in commissions. This is how I made almost $3 million. It's how I changed my life. It's how I quit my full-time job. It's how I retired my mom. And I hope you got some value from this video today. And if you did, let me know in the comment section what value you got. What questions do you have? If you appreciated this video, I would appreciate some thumbs ups from you, right? And if you're like, well, Aaron, can I learn this step by step over the shoulder? Well, I got you, right? I've got a free masterclass that goes over the full strategy. And if you want access to that, for now, it's 100% free and you can access it anytime in the comment section below. I'll see you there.